recommended, interpretation as recommended, short title as recommended, schedules as recommended, explanatory memorandum as recommended. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the committee of the whole? Thank you. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, I rise to a motion that this bill be read the third time. I so move.
Minority Leader.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I rise to second the motion that this bill be now read the third time. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, those in favor of the motion that this bill be now read the third time, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk of the Senate.
Mr. President, distinguished senators, a bill for an act to provide for the establishment and incorporation of the Federal College of Traditional, Complementary and Alternative Medicine of Nigeria and make comprehensive provisions for its due administration and for matters connected therewith 2021 SB 394 third reading.
A bill for an act to provide for the establishment and incorporation of the Federal College of Traditional, Complementary and Alternative Medicine of Nigeria, Abuja, and to make comprehensive provisions for its due administration and for matters connected therewith 2021 third reading taken, and the bill is passed. Congratulations. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, the fifth order of the day is the second reading of an executive bill standing on my